just monitoring this vending machine that I fixed, and I put a Wi-Fi monitor in there. There's the temperature sensor there. In here is the temperature sensor plus a amp meter, and it's plugged in series with the machine. So now, and I've sent this monitor to the customer. So right now the customer can monitor this in real time, and here's the machine, here's the temperature. So with this I can set alarms. If it gets too hot, gets too cold, it'll send me a text message. I can calibrate the sensor. I can see, let's go back here somewhere. I'll get a graph. I've only just turned this on. It'll give me a graph of how it's going. Then if I go back out of here and go into the power monitor, I can see the amp draw. I can see the watts at the moment. The compressor's off. Look, it's 0.39 amps. Volts to 246. So with this, I can set. Oh, it's just started. See that? So now she's doing 2.9 amps. The compressor just started. With this, I can set the. If I can get it to work. No, maybe it's down here. Sorry, pushing the wrong thing. I can set the maximum amount of watts. So if it draws too much for some reason, it will alarm. If the power goes off the monitor, it will, after 30 minutes, it will alarm and let me know by text message, and also send the customer, whoever I've shared this with, a notification. So wireless monitoring is very handy, and they're pretty accurate. Let's check it out. So here we got 2.8 is the current, and on my data it says 2.82. This says 2.87. Pretty close. The voltage here is 246. 246. It's perfect. Yeah, wireless monitor is very handy. This customer has got a few of his machines with monitors on them, and here we can see the temperature, because the compressor started. The temperature will be going down. Yeah, it's very handy. You can even have, if you want, I haven't got it here, but you can even have the unit controlled by this, and set if you've got something very fragile and get damaged if it gets too cold. You can set this to actually cut the unit out, cut the fridge out, cut whatever out, so that it doesn't spoil the product. Just a safeguard. But I've got many of these, and they're cheap. They're through the Tuya app, TUYA, and the platform just costs me $6 Australian a month. And yeah, it's very handy, especially I find when checking stuff like this, but I'm away from it, and if this happened to be a freezer on a Friday, and the customer's closed all weekend, you've just fixed it, you just chuck one of these monitors on it, and then you can see how it's going over the weekend, and if there's a problem, you can alert the customer. This will go down in temperature in a sec, because obviously it's just started. What else is on this that I can show you? So if it loads, hurry up. Yeah, so this is just where I can share. Just push share and text message, and down here offline notification. If I push that, it'll tell me. After 30 minutes, it will send me a message and say, hey, power's gone off. Do something about it. The temperature comes down in about, I think it's every 0.6 of a degree. So it doesn't come down, like you can't see 4.144. It just comes down in quite big chunks. I just want to watch it come down. Come on, hurry up. Well, there we go. Well, it's 0.5. So it's come down to 3.7. And see this auto work, you can push this and you can actually control, like I said, control this from wherever you want. Pretty handy.